Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical Portal YouTube channel on a new video of Microsoft Excel Visual Basic Shortcode series. So friends, in this series we are going to learn some unique codes and shortcodes that we can make use in our own codes to make our codes easier. So in my previous video we have learned how to hide all worksheets with a VBA code, how to unhide all hidden worksheets with VBA code, and how to close all workbooks at once with VBA code. And today in this video we are going to learn how to delete all worksheets excluding the active worksheet. To learn about this briefly, watch this video till the end. This is your host Pritham and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. So without talking much, let's begin. So I am using the single worksheet so that when you download it you can find all the codes in a single place. So my worksheet name is practice sheet, and whenever you open it we have to enable this content by clicking on option and enable this content. Okay, so to enter the VBA code we have to go to the developer tab, then go to the Visual Basic, or you can directly press Alt and F11 key from your keyboard to enter into the Visual Basic editor. So in the sheet 2 we are going to insert a new module. From here, insert, then click on module. Look at here, module 4 has been now created. So to delete all worksheet except the active worksheet we have to type code like this: sub, then we have to give a name our sub procedure. So we are going to name it as delete worksheets, then open bracket and close bracket and then hit enter. Look at here, the name has been changed and in sub has been entered automatically. So here you have to type like dim ws. Dim ws means we are creating a variable named ws, and dim means we are storing the storage into this variable that is named as ws. So here type as, then select worksheet from the drop down menu. When it is highlighted, hit on tab button, it will autofill it, then hit enter. In the next line you have to type for each. Here we have given our variable name as ws, so we have to type the variable name ws. Whatever variable you select, type that name here. Then in this workbook dot, here you have to again select worksheets, right? Press the tab button to autofill it, then hit enter, then type your condition if ws dot select name from the drop down menu, then enter these two indicators that are greater than and lesser than indicators, then put a space. Now type this workbook dot, here select active sheet from the drop down menu, press tab button to autofill it. Now put a full stop here. Here you have to type name. Now you have to type then and then hit enter. Now you have to type application dot, here you have to select the option as display alerts. When it is highlighted, press tab, put a space to carefully read it, then select the false from here. Here you have to type again ws, our variable name, then full stop, then here you have to select delete. We are going to delete the worksheets, so it is here, then hit enter again. Here you have to again type this code application dot, again select display alerts. Here now you have to select the option as true. Now type end if, that means our condition now has been over. Here you have to type next ws, that means whenever it finds any next ws, that is worksheet, it will delete it automatically. Then hit enter, or you may not. Now press Ctrl S from your keyboard and save this. Now whenever you run this code, look at here, you can run this code from this button, that is green play button, or you can press the F5 button, or you can go to the run, then run sub or user form, right? I'm not running it from here because I have to show you. So look at here, you can see here there is 3 sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3, and currently we are working on sheet 2. We are typing something like this, right? We have typed something, and now if we run that code from going to macros, then here you have to select that VBA code we have created, that is delete all worksheets, right? Then simply run it. Look at here, all the worksheet has been now deleted. So that's how this code actually works. So that's all for today, friends. Hopefully you like this video, and if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends who wants to learn Microsoft Excel VBA course from the beginning level. Share your opinion as well as your queries in the comment section. Keep learning, keep supporting this channel, and keep practicing by downloading this workbook from the description box.